Let's de-stress, find focus, and boost our energy together with box breathing. This breathing technique has been adopted by military personnel, athletes, and others in various forms of meditation and mindfulness practices for centuries. And the great thing is you can get amazing benefits even if you follow along for just 1 minute. So if you're ready to give it a go, let's begin. Start by breathing in through your nose for 4 seconds. Now hold that breath in and breathe back out. Hold. And in for 4. Hold in. And release smoothly. Hold. Breathe in fully. Hold it in. And exhale. Hold. Good deep breath here. 4 seconds, go. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Good breath right here. Hold that air in. And fully exhale. Strong breathe out. Hold. In through the nose. Hold. Out through the nose. And hold. Deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Hold. We do it again. Breathe in through the nose. Hold in. And breathe out. Good, hold. Breathe in fully. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Good breath in, 4 seconds. Hold that air in. Fully exhale and go. Hold. Breathe it in. Hold. Breathe it out. Hold. Deep inhale right here. Hold that air in. Exhale for 4. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. We're 4 minutes in. We have 1 minute to go. Hold that air up. And inhale. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. And hold. 2 more cycles. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Last one right here. Breathe in. Strongest one to finish out. Hold. Breathe out. And you are done. Excellent work.